Hi everyone, welcome to Aura Dance. Today's exercises will focus on stretching out the hamstrings, which is great warm-up for dancers who want to achieve front splits. Even if you're not a dancer, these exercises are also helpful to build a long and slim leg line. Let's get started. You can use a long towel or a proper stretch band would be even better for the stretches. First up is point and flex to warm up the ankles and feet. Wrap the band around the ball of the feet, then point through the toes and flex. The resistance of the band will quickly help you build up strength for your feet. Remember to sit up straight and engage your core while doing it. Try to slightly lift the heels off the floor for hyperextension to lengthen the hamstrings. We will repeat a few more times here. Next, let's lie on the back for leg bend and extensions. Wrap the band flat around the arch of the foot and keep the foot flexed. Start with knee bend and slowly extend out to a straight leg. Ensure that your hips are squared. Don't let the working leg side of your hip lift off the floor. If you have tight hamstrings, it's totally fine to extend the leg out at a lower angle. Next, gather the ends of the band and hold it with both hands. Extend the top and bottom leg out straight. We will hold here for hamstring stretch. Let's repeat the same on the other side. Wrap the band around, making sure that it's under your arch and not your toes. Push through the resistance of the band and feel a nice stretch at the back of your leg. Gather the bands and extend the top and bottom legs out for hamstring stretch. Keep breathing to let the muscle relax. Now sitting back up with legs in front of you, we will do a seated forward fold. Take the towel or double up the stretch band for a stronger hold. Wrap the towel around the feet, fold forward with the intention of touching the belly towards the thigh. Keep the back flat and lengthened while keeping the chin up. Make sure both legs are straight. You can try to reach lower down as you hold the stretch. fold in one leg, we will focus on a deeper stretch on one side at a time. You should be able to get your belly closer to the thigh. Again, keep the back flat and chin up. Let your eyes look towards the direction of your big toe. Repeat the same on the other side. It's important that you do stretches on both sides to balance it out. If you're more flexible on one side, you should always challenge yourself further. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Aura Dance channel. Remember to like, comment, and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.